Hey everybody, it's Karen. Today I have an unboxing video for you. I tried to do it with my phone, but that didn't work out. My camera, I need a different kind of tripod. So I'm gonna use my cell phone, so I'm sorry about that. This is a package I got off of eBay, and I don't know if I could do this one-handed. See. So this is a 1970s Ginny doll, a Skinny Ginny, and I have a few of these. I had them when I was a little kid. My sister and I each had one, but they got lost, as things do. Looks like she sent an extra big box. I don't need that. This one though, I'd never, as a kid, and then I never had an African American or black one. They were mostly blonde, obviously, but they did have one black one. And this one is actually new in box. It's never been opened. And I am going to, well, I guess I didn't need to do that. I am going to unbox her. The boxes aren't that special, and these aren't very expensive dolls. Oh, look how cute she is. Oh, it looks like her plastic has been ripped. So hopefully she's in good condition. We'll see. You can see that she has the tape on the box. And Toys R Us apparently had her. I wonder how old that is. So these are Vogue Ginny dolls. So there's a big long history with Ginny dolls. I'm not going to get into it in this video, but these Skinny Ginnies were made in the 70s and the early 80s. The ones that have the sleepy eyes were made in the late 70s, and then they actually made them without sleep eyes, just painted on eyes in like the early 80s. And they were like a fashion line for Ginny dolls, so they weren't like the baby doll size. These are 8 inches, and they had little outfits, and you could buy a wardrobe and a closet. I mean a wardrobe closet, and I think they came with, there's like a bed and a vanity and stuff. I just saw a vanity on eBay that I missed out on. But here's like a little thing, as they tried to market to the fashion doll kids. So it says, "Hello, I'm Ginny. I used to play with your mom when she was your age. I'm still a Vogue doll made as carefully and as with much love as ever. I have a fresh new look and lots of pretty new clothes and accessories. I'm your age and have not grown much in all of these years. Chances are you will love me as much as your mom did. I have my own little play world too. It's called The World of Ginny and has everything from tennis wear to ski clothes to jumpsuits to long party dresses. I also have a bed, a wardrobe, a vanity, a study desk, and even a moped. A lot has changed over the years, but I'm still a very good friend, and I'm glad, and am I glad of that. With love from Ginny." This one, the African American one, I guess, is named Ginette, and she has a little sailor outfit on. Now, so when I was about 6 or 7 when these were out, so I remember having these, but again, I don't know what happened to mine. These were made in China. So this is a 1978 doll. They're not very popular with collectors. I mean, people are buying and selling them on eBay, but they're very reasonably priced. New in box, unopened in box, wasn't that much more than one without box. So they don't go for the big bucks like the other, like the baby doll Ginnies from the 50s and 60s and earlier. People weren't as, I guess from what I've read online, people weren't as happy with these. They just weren't as big of a, they didn't, I don't know. I mean, collectors, I guess they've had, because they were made in Hong Kong at the time, they're not always made with like some of the quality control issues. They're different across the dolls. And all right, and I'm going to take her out one-handed. Come on, Ginette. Oh, she's missing a shoe. Oh no. All right, let me put you down for a second and I'll pick you back up. Okay, so here she is, and she's not missing a shoe. It had just fallen. That's good news. Oh, she's so cute. So one of the things I find interesting about these Ginny dolls that I've been collecting is some of them have soft heads and some have hard. She has a softer head. You can see she has the sleep eyes. She does feel a little dirty and greasy since she's been in this box all this time with that plastic open. Let me see how she's put in here. What do we have here? Oh yeah, see, here's her play sets. And here's the little dolls. I don't know, did you guys have any of these? Let me know. I don't have any. I almost bought the vanity. Or I mean, I almost bought a wardrobe the other day, but it was snatched up before I could. I don't know that I had these actual, when I was a kid, I had like a carrying case closet with the doll and stuff, but I didn't have these little furniture. So I'll save that. I've never seen this before, and it's in like perfect condition. And here's some of the outfits and the characters. So 70s. So I want to sew for these guys. I want to make some outfits for them. I have a few that I bought and sold. Some are in better condition than others. I need to dig them all out and assess them all. But she's held in with these twist ties. I wish packaging was this simple like it was in the 70s. Now it's ridiculous. Let me get this open with one hand. Her shoe's falling off again. Better put that to the side. Oh, Ginette. Come on out. There we go. I've been on a kick trying to get toys from when I was a kid again, because I didn't end up having any of mine saved. All of my collection of Star Wars figures and Barbies and everything else was thrown away. Not by me. It's very sad and tragic. There's her other little shoe. And here she is. She's so cute. I haven't even, because I'm looking through this camera, I haven't actually had a good look at her yet. All right. And put this back on sleep. So. All right. There she is. Looks like her eyes are clear. She has this little sailor outfit on. One of these days I'm going to get a background when my office is clean so you guys can actually see these better. I love the snaps that they had with these outfits. They're these press studs or snaps that have this ring around. I wish we could find stuff like this now. Her dress is in perfect condition. She has tights on underneath. No underwear, just tights. They have flat feet. Isn't this interesting? They're just sewn up. The legs in this pattern are sewn up to mid-thigh. I've never seen that before. Everything is really well made. Most of the clothes that I have them in are, worn out. It's interesting to see one in absolutely pristine condition. I haven't seen one this clean and perfect. No fraying on the hems. It's not plastic material. It's a real polyester. Real polyester, that's funny to say. Isn't she adorable? So she has this little beret. I don't know if it's it comes off. Really cute. All the dolls are the same size, obviously. So, and she's got curls, and it says Ginny Vogue 1977. I was 6 years old when she came out. So this Ginny head is soft. So here's a Ginny that is not put together that I got, who was in crappy condition. Where's your head, madam? And I took her hair off. See, she's got some staining and stuff. And this one is a 1977 Ginny Vogue doll, but her head is hard. So I don't know, again, if this is the quality control that I put some pastels on her face and stuff to give her some blush, but I don't know if I'm going to bother with this stain. I have some hair to reroot her with, some blonde hair. So I don't know if some of them use hard heads and some have the squishy vinyl. And I don't know if that's because the vinyl was supposed to be hard and they've all swollen, or if some of them were hard and some of them weren't. And it looks like her eyebrows are pretty faded, but her lipstick is perfect. And she still has a little blush on her cheeks. And she's absolutely darling. So yes, this girl, this is what their bodies look like. They're shaped like little girls. They're not, so they were an interesting doll line because they were in between the baby dolls of the Vogue and then the fashion dolls of like Barbie. And they have these cute little tummies. You know, they're not like all skinny. They're actually realistic dolls. So I'm going to try to make some outfits for them, and oh, don't fall down, honey. Yep, she's falling down. Eventually I'll show you more of these, but that is the unboxing. Let me know if you had any of these Ginny dolls and if you think they're cute, and if you want to start finding some. They're all over the place on eBay. And again, the clothes are really well made and they're very inexpensive. They usually run anywhere from 10 to 25 bucks. But lots with clothes and stuff go for more, but you can get the naked dolls very cheap. And like, she was maybe like 25 bucks because she was new in box, which, I mean, that is so ridiculously cheap for a vintage doll that's new in box. But you know, she's not, again, she's not like a favorite of the collectors, but she's a these are favorites of mine. I just love them. So all right guys, I'm gonna turn this off now, and I guess I should say, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And again, let me know if you've ever even heard of these dolls, or if you had them, or what you think of them. All right, bye.